Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the Trading123 opening range breakout strategy that trades the opening range for you. Just put in how many contracts you want to trade, your profit goal, your loss, targets and stops, and you're off and running. And we provide all that information in the manuals. According to CNBC, 80% of trading in the market is automated. So if you're not automating your trading, if you're not using trade automation, it means that your long-term chances of success are very low, as trading bots have taken over 80% of the market in automated trading. And as you'll see here in the video, in our trades with the opening range breakout strategy, the bot did perform quite well. Now we have certain filters in the bot that I'll show you in the one of the slides here that will prevent it from making trades, and basically the average human trader would not be able to figure this out. In fact, 99% wouldn't be able to figure it out. So here's our first trade of the day in ES here, October 10th, 2020. We're trading 5 contracts on the ES. We're looking for these explosive moves and a $1,200 gain and have a one and done trade. And that's exactly what happened here. The market lost the opening range low, took out the low, sold off hard, hit our first 3 contracts, and then our max daily gain, and the trade is over. This trade lasted less than 5-8 minutes. One and done, and you just banked $1,200 and you paid for 70% of the software. So you can use trade automation or try to do it yourself. As I said, 80% of the bots are running the market. Why trade against them? Then here's our crude oil trade. October 10th, same thing. We're trading 5 contracts. Or no, this one we're trading 3. Yeah, 3 contracts. So market opens here at the open, takes out the low, the bot gets short, and then the market decides it's not weak yet, and within a bar or so it reverses the position, takes a small loss, and breaks out to the upside, hits our targets, and we hit our $1,200 goal once again, trading with the opening range strategy bot. And again, another quick trade that lasted less than 10 minutes or so, and our goal is hit, one and done, and we're done for the day. We come back and go again the next day, running the same strategy, the same bot. Let automation do the work for you. See, with a trading bot, there's no hesitation, no second guessing. So average trader would have got stopped here, and then they would have second guessed, and then starts moving up, and then they would be thinking about probably shorting again because the market's weak, and then explosive volume comes in and up it goes. Well, how do I know it's explosive volume? Well, look at the size of these 1-minute bars. The bigger the bar, the more volume. Simple as that. And the same pattern repeats here on the following day, October 11th, 2022. Trading the same strategy, 3 contracts, and let the trade automation do the work for you. and why trade against the bots. So the bot's been programmed, and so here the market comes down, and maybe the average trader would have shorted right here, but the bot has been programmed. It knows when to get short. As in these candles, we have certain filters on the candles where the bot, may go short or may go long, and it's pretty damn accurate. As you see, the market sells off below the opening range low. Down we go, goal hit, repeat of the same thing that happened yesterday. I don't really know why traders want to sit there and look at 5 different indicators and wait for everything to line up and try to manually trade. Like I said, bots run 80% of the market. So that's our crude oil trade. Let's look at the ES. So here's our ES trade at the open, and basically the market breaks the low. Now if it breaks the high, like here, see, it went up and touched the opening range high. Most people would have thought, hey, it's time to go long, and they would have been stopped out, but not our bot. It knows, it has built-in filters into the candlesticks, reading a bunch of information that we spent, a good 6 months working with our programmers who have over 30 years experience in trading to come up with this opening range bot. So we get a quick sell-off, and the market's not really weak here. It hits our first target and then bounces up and hits our stop, but we're got a nice profit of $592. So with this bot, it trades both directions, and I'll show you in the next slide. So we just let this run all day until the bot lines up and makes another trade. So here's the bot. This is our first trade where we got stopped out. Now price broke over the opening range low here a few times, but due to our filters in the bot, it didn't take any of these longs. They would have probably been stopped out for a small loss. And then the market gets weak, and I just got this running. I got a monitor off to the left. It's not on my main monitor, so I'm just watching it, waiting for it to trigger. And then it comes down here, bounces off the low, comes up to the opening range low, bounces down, and then right here it's almost close to getting long. Probably a trader would have been long, and then they would have sweated this out, and then all of a sudden it gets long because our filter knows what to look for. Explosive move up and a nice $1,300 gain, and our profit target is hit. And that's why trading bots work, and they run the market, and they will outtrade the average trader every day. So thanks for watching the video. Any questions, you can always contact us on our website. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter and all them social media stuff, and we'll see you in the next video.